Welcome Primary 4. How are you today? In this session, we want to complete some operations on large numbers. Today, we will multiply by a two-digit number. Also, we'll discuss division. Let's start with multiplying by a two-digit number. We studied before in Primary 3 how to multiply by one-digit number. You multiply this number by the whole number. Today we'll take two examples about how to multiply by a two-digit number. To multiply by a two-digit number, we will multiply the unit of this digit number by the whole number, then multiply tens by the whole number. But when we multiply tens, we should put 0 in units. Let's do it together. The first one is 243 times 12. Step 1, I multiply 2 by the whole number. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. So now I multiplied this number, the whole number, by 2. Now I want to multiply the whole number by tens, which is 1. So I'll add 0 in units, then multiply 1 by 3 equals 3, 1 by 4 equals 4, 1 by 2 is 2. Now let's add the two numbers. We have here 6, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 carry 1, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 4 is 9, and finally drop down 2. Let's move to B. Here we have 5,467 multiplied 24. Let's start from units. 4 times 7, 28, 8 carry up 2. 4 times 6, 24, and 2, 26, 6 carry up 2. 4 times 4 is 16, and 2, 18, 18 carry up 1. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1, 21. Now I'll add 0, then multiply the tens. 2 times 7, 14, 4 carry up 1. 2 times 6, 12, and 1, 13, 3 and carry up 1. 2 times 4, 8, and 1, 9. 2 times 5 is 10. The last step is to add the two numbers here. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0 carry up 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 3, 12. 2 carry up 1. 1 plus 9, 10, and 1, 11. Carry up 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. And finally drop down 1. So the result here is 131,208. So if you want to multiply by a two-digit number, start from the units, multiply the units by all the digits of the second number, then put plus and put 0 in units to start multiplying the tens. And finally add the two results. Okay? Now let's divide. We want to revise how to divide by a one-digit number. We studied before how to divide by a one-digit number, but today I want to discuss long division. Okay? For example, here we have 672 divided by 7. If you remember, 672 called dividend, and 7 here is the divisor. The first step is to write the timetable of the divisor. Here, 7 by 1 equals 7 by 1 equals 7, 7 by 2, 14, 7 by 3, 21, and so on. So we wrote the timetable of the divisor. And here we have dividend. Let's start from the left. As we said before, division means start from the left. 6 divided 7, of course, can't be. So I should put 0. Then I take the number to the right of the digit to the right. In this case, the 0 will become in the left. So it has no value. So I take 67. Now let's look for 67. 67 divided 7. Look at the table. Yes, the nearest number here is 63. So I take 63. 63 divided 7 is 9. Write 9 up and write 63 here down. 9 times 7 equals 63. The next step is to subtract. Let's subtract 7 minus 3 is 4, and 6 minus 6 0, so I will not write 0. So after subtraction, drop down. We took 67, so it's time to drop down 2. So we have 42. Again, divide, then multiply, subtract, and drop down. 42 divided 7, let's look at here. Yes, equals 6. So write 6 up here and write 42, then subtract. The result is 0. So we don't have a remainder. Okay, this is the quotient up here, 96. So 672 divided 7 equals 96. And there is no remainder. The remainder is 0. What about if we have two-digit numbers? I want to divide by a two-digit number by the same way exactly. Here, for example, we have 5617 divided by 27. The first step is to write the timetable of a 27. You can do it yourself. For example, here 27 times 3, 3 times 7, 21, 1 carry of 2, 3 times 2 is 6, and 2, 8. And by the same way, write the timetable of the divisor, which is 27. Okay? Okay, let's start with 56. 56. We have two digits here, so I'll take two digits. 56. The nearest number here is 54. So I take 2. I write 2 in the quotient up. 2 times 27 is 54. I write it here, then subtract. 56 minus 54. Yes, 2. After subtracting, drop down. Let's drop down 1. 21 divided 27. Look at here. 21 is less than 27. Okay, so we should put 0. Then drop down the next digit, which is 7. 217. Look at here. Where is 217? Okay, but the nearest number is 216. Okay, I'll choose the nearest number but less, not more than 217. So we have 216. 216 divided 27 is 8. So I write 8 up. Then 8 times 27 equal 216. And I subtract the remainder here is 1. 217 minus 216 equal 1. So this is the remainder. We don't have any more digits to drop down. This number is less than the divisor, so we have finished, and the remainder is 1. 5617 divided 27 is 208, and the remainder is 1. Okay, so the quotient or the result is 208, and the remainder here is 1. Okay, that's all about our session today. Thank you very much for watching. Next session, we will start Unit 2, Geometry. The first lesson will be relations between two straight lines. Thank you very much, and see you next session, inshallah. Goodbye.